Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. So let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture or the me icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. In the Settings section, find and tap Account Preferences. Then scroll down until you see Hibernate Account and tap on it. LinkedIn will now show you information about what happens when you hibernate your account. For example, your profile will no longer be visible to other members, and you will stop receiving notifications. Tap Continue or Hibernate. Choose a reason for hibernating your account, then tap Next. Enter your account password to confirm. Finally, tap Hibernate Account to complete the process. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account is now hibernated and temporarily hidden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.